Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. I'm Creations. So friends, how are you? I hope all will be well. May Allah Almighty keep you all happy and keep your homes inhabited, and may you continue to enjoy my videos like this. Amin. So friends, today I will share with you the very beautiful crochet bedsheet designs. Before starting the video, I request all of you to subscribe to my channel. First and also be sure to follow, press the bell icon. You can see very beautiful and amazing designs shown to you people in it. All the designs that I am sharing with you today all are new designs brought to your channel in the first time. You can also buy to the market about said designs. You can get many ideas from my videos. So friends, this video is very helpful and useful for you guys. So I will keep sharing similar designs with my dear friend daily. Inshallah, be sure to let us know in the comment box how you like our video. If you want to watch any video related to crochet, visit my channel. If you know how to do crochet work yourself, you can do the work yourself with a beautiful my channel. Stay with me, take care, will remember in prayer, and bye.